option 1, there could be an opportunity which is being handed to you, something tangible, monetary, like a job opportunity or an opportunity to invest in something which will bring you great returns. This opportunity could be you purchasing something that you wanted to purchase, or it could be a gift. This opportunity is something which is destined, it is fated for you to have it. So even if there is competition, conflicts, arguments, this kind of energy around this opportunity, whatever happens, you are the one who is destined to have this, and this opportunity is going to make you very happy. You'll feel super successful, you might celebrate it. It's just bringing a lot of positivity, joy. Color yellow could be significant, it could be lucky for you at this time, but whatever this is, it is fated and it is meant to happen. Just remember that. Option 2, currently you might be feeling stuck, trapped somewhere, you don't know what to do, where to go. Right now your message is to just breathe. If you're not already meditating or relaxing and breathing, your message is to do that. Just breathe, wait and observe. Soon the energy is going to shift and you would be in the energy of strategizing how to get your dreams, how to get your wish fulfilled. So whatever you are trying to manifest, you will soon know what to do, because I do see you strategizing and working on something, not revealing things to people. That is getting you to your wish fulfillment. So whatever your wish is, it is going to get fulfilled. That is what you need to know right now. So even if you're stuck, do not worry. Just stay calm and breathe, and the answers will come to you, and at the right time you will strategize and take the right action which will lead to your wish fulfillment. Option 3, currently you might be in a situation where you find yourself at the wrong place at the wrong time, or things are not going your way. You feel like it's not your time, you feel like you're out of alignment, or miracles are not happening to you right now. But your message is that soon an offer is going to be made to you, something creative, something artistic, or from such kind of a person. This offer could be romantic or something that makes your heart flutter. It's that kind of an offer, and this is what you have manifested. So your wish is getting fulfilled. You might come from a place that feels like the time is running out and things are not happening your way, you're losing out on things, but don't even feel like that, because you're not. You're going to have everything that you desire and more. You'll have every resource, everything that you could ever need, and your wishes are going to get fulfilled. So it's much more than that you will have.